Kerry Mountains I met with Captain Farrell and his money he was counting. I first produced me pistol and I then produced me rapier. Then stand and deliver, for you are a bold deceiver. My shearing and my doer and my da. Whack full of daddy-o, whack full of daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. I went into my chamber, all for to take a slumber. I'd silver, gold and jewels, aye, and sure it was no wonder. But Jenny took me pistol, she filled it up with water, then sent for Captain Farrell to be ready for the slaughter. My shearing and my doer and my da. Whack full of daddy-o, whack full of daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. Early in the morning, just before I rose for travel, up comes a band of troopers, the like was Captain Farrell. I first produced me pistol, for me rapier she had stolen. I could not shoot the water, so a prisoner I was taken. My shearing and my doer and my da. Whack full of daddy-o, whack full of daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. If there's anyone can hate me, 'tis me brother in the army. If I can find a station in Cork or in Killarney, and if he'll go with me, we'll go roving in Kilkenny, and I'm sure he'll treat me better than me sly deceiving Jenny. My shearing and my doer and my da. Whack full of daddy-o, whack full of daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. There's some take delight in the carriages rolling, and others take delight in the hurling and the bowling. But I take delight in the juice of the barley, and courting pretty fair maids in the morning bright and early. My shearing and my doer and my da. Whack full of daddy-o, whack full of daddy-o, there's whiskey in the jar. My shearing and my doer and my da. Whack full of daddy-o, whack full of daddy-o,